So, hi everybody.
Hi.
Hi. So today we are in our cooking experience.
Yes.
And something is missing. Maybe somebody is missing. Okay, Fran is not here today. And we are cooking without him. But I've got a mini Fran with me today. So mini Fran, in fact, is not called Fran, it's called Lucas, yeah? So Lucas is our youngest kid
or child, no sé cómo se
child, whatever. And he is going to help me cook an old favorite, which is called, how is it called, Lucas? What are you going to cook?
Creme Caramel.
Creme Caramel. So in Spanish, flan, which is super, super, super easy. Yeah, right. So we're going to cook today flan. And hi, Susanna. Hi. Hi, James. How are you doing? So are you ready?
Yes.
So, you know, Lucas has never cooked flan, but it's a super, super easy.
I have never cooked.
You have never cooked, but you can make tortilla, right?
Yes.
Tortilla and salad.
Yes.
And what else? Milk with cookies?
Yes. And milk with cereal.
And cereal is very convenient.
Yes.
Okay, so Lucas is going to help me while Fran is not here today. Hi, Cesar, how are you?
Hola.
So we're going to go ahead and make it?
Yes.
Right, okay, so let's go. Yeah, get up, Lucas, don't worry. So we are going to follow Lucas to the kitchen. Are you going that way? So well, I'm going to show you before how the flan looks. Because we made one, because you have to make it the day before or some hours before. And it will look just like that when it comes. So we are going to show you how to make a flan like that, right?
Yes.
Fantastic. So shall we get the aprons on, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to leave the gimbal here. Gimbal, whatever. Gimbal. Hi, Katya. How are you, Ola? How are you doing? Okay, so let's get the aprons on. You will get me the apron?
Yes. I will.
I'll show you the ingredients. I wrote them. Let's see if I can... Hi, Amanda. How are you? So flan, you see, half a liter of milk, 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 eggs, so 3 and half a liter, and then 6 tablespoons sugar for the caramel, right? Because we need the caramel for cream caramel. Easy, right? So what are we going to do? Get the apron on just in case, not because you're going to need it actually, but you can make it without an apron. You don't need an apron for the creme caramel. No, but... So, would you help me with the flan?
Yes.
Okay, let's go for that. Right, Lucas. No, you make the, do you want me to make the caramel?
Yes.
And then you make the flan?
Yes.
Okay, so you make the cameraman? Yes? Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
Okay, so what do you need? You need a pan, a non-sticking pan, right? You need the sugar. You need 3 eggs. You need half a liter of milk. First thing we need to do is make some caramel. And you have to be extra careful because the caramel you can really burn, right? So this is why I'll make it, Lucas. So I'll put like, 3 or maybe 5 for the caramel. I used 5 for the flan that you saw, right? So what I do, is I put it to the highest heat, and it will start boiling. You have to be very careful because it seems nothing is happening, and then all of a sudden the caramel burns, and then you have to throw it away. Because if the caramel burns, then the flan is, you cannot eat it. It's got a very bitter flavor, right? So you see how it is going, Lucas?
Yes.
See the caramel, you see the sugar? Yeah?
Yes.
And now you can see us. And now the sugar again. So The pan has to be a non-stick pan because you need to put the sugar in here. This is a FLAN maker, which is a specific, well, this has like about 20 years. And
you.
it's got less than me, but more than you.
Yes.
Right, so you put the caramel in here. Before you made the caramel, and this is what is burned. You made the caramel on the fire and directly on the pot, but now it's not possible. And then you put the caramel here, we'll make the mixture, and then we put it in here, and then you put a lid on this so that the water doesn't come into the flan. But if you don't have a lid, or if you don't have this pot, use anything similar, and you cover it with tin foil, right? Okay, so let's see how the sugar is going. You see it will start burning a little bit. So to make caramel, you need a wooden instrument, because if you use a metal one, you will get burned because it gets very hot. And you have to be super careful with the caramel because you can get burned. This is why Lucas isn't making it. No, it's not that Lucas is clumsy or anything, it's just that I don't want you to get burned, my dear. Yes? So you will see my handsome cameraman?
Super handsome.
Super handsome. Super handsome cameraman. Right, so you see it's got a color, certain color. It's not at all made, but it takes a few minutes. You keep it, I don't add anything, I don't add water, I don't add anything. Yeah, you have to be a bit patient with this. Yeah, the noise is because this is, I don't know why, it's an old stove, and it's because of the, how do you call that? Eso no es una vitrocerámica, es una ice induction, right? So it's made with, it makes a funny noise, I don't know why. So the thing is that you have to allow all the sugar to mix. You know, it's getting like a caramel color. You have to wait a little bit.
It's like in a Squid Game.
Yeah, but we don't have
Baking
soda. Yeah, baking soda. So if we put baking soda in here, you make the Squid Game caramel, right? Maybe we can try one day. Right, so you see it's becoming like browner. That's it. I need to start. You cannot smell it, but it starts smelling like funny. Lucas is laughing. So you see the color is this caramel color, and what we do is we put it in here, and we allow it to cool for a second, right? You cannot put the mixture directly there until it gets a bit solid. And what I do is I put water into the pan so I can clean it, right? Because the caramel will just get hard and stick to the pan, that's all. Right? So that's it. That's one thing, right? And now I'm going to do the camera woman, and then you do the mixture.
Okay.
Okay, so my flan. Okay, so what we are going to do, Lucas, is in this pot, or yak, in fact, you're going to put the 3 eggs, right? So Lucas is going to put the 3 eggs. Well done. This is the most difficult thing.
I don't know.
Is to open crack the eggs.
Not like that.
Right, great. And that's the only thing you have to do is crack 3 eggs into the jug. Well done, Lucas.
Thanks.
Right. Now you put 3 tablespoons, so the bigger spoon of sugar into the eggs. Yes, that's it. Bigger spoon. Get the sugar closer to the jug so there's no, you don't spill it. 1, 2, and 3. That's about it. So you see it's easy.
Yes.
It's easy, very easy. And then you put the milk in there.
All the milk.
All the milk. It's half a liter. Well done. Right. Okay, so that's it. And then you need the immersion blender. For the immersion blender, first you put
Yes, please.
that and then you put it in the current, not the opposite, right? Perfect. It makes click. It's a very complicated cookie, no? Right, be careful because it will spill it all over if you're not careful, right? That. Hey, that's why. Great. Perfect. Yeah, I think it's done, right? Ready? That's it? Okay. So you get it out, right? Perfect. Get it. Perfect. Get the thing out. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. Leave it there. No, pero no lo mojes. Okay, fine. Right, let's see how the caramel is. Okay, you say, ow, it's it's hot. Why are you laughing? It's hot, but it's solid, right? So it doesn't move, and you need the caramel to be like that. So Lucas, easy. Put the mixture into the pan, right? Okay.
Oh, pick him up.
You were laughing at me, but you see, it's not all that simple.
No, it's not.
Okay, so you put it all. Now you put the lid on and close it. Remember, if you don't have a lid, just put tin foil, that's all. Great. One. Yeah, it's a bit old, but it's like a friend of mine gave it to me, so yes, I will not buy another one. So I just remember her. She's no longer with us, but the flan maker is with me. Okay, so that's it. What do we need? We need a pressure cooker. There, pressure cooker with, like, I would say, what, 2 fingers of water? Right, yeah, 1. You see, 2 fingers of water. What we are going to do, hold it, I'll do it. Hold the camera and I'll put it in there. So you don't get burned, my dear. Okay, so you get this, put it in the pressure cooker. You don't need it to be covered. If you cover two fingers, that will be enough. You close it and you put it to the maximum until the valve comes up, and then you cook this to number 4. So this is 9. This is 9. So the medium is 4. Once the valve is up, for 15 minutes. Okay, if you don't have a pressure cooker, it doesn't matter. You do the same thing on a normal pan. Put the lid on and you cook it for 25 minutes, right? If you put it in a normal pan, it doesn't have to boil because it will make like bubbles in the flan. That's the only thing, right? So while the valve is coming up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some flan for Lucas and for me. So come, let's see how it went. You know, this flan will be for both. Make small piece. Now the thing is that I bribed Lucas and I told him that if he made this with me, he could eat the whole flan. If you want. Okay, so 1 for you. I'll leave it there and you can pick it up. And then another one for me. So it looks great. And you put some of the juice inside. And then we'll eat it. See, the lid is coming up. Shall we put it in here? And then you'll see us again. Oh, right. Hang on. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to try the flan with you. We'll see how it's not very sweet, right? Today we are not drinking wine because está buenísimo. Está muy bueno, The one that you see, if Lucas is can be a great cook, but I think it's the first time he ever cooks in his life. So if he can make it, you can. Everybody can make.
Yes.
It's really good. So this is our version of flan. That's the one my grandmother used to make. Super simple, super good. And you see, yes, the bulb comes up. 15 minutes to a medium of heat, and then you leave it to cool for since the night before, and then you've got the flan, and then you can eat it. Simple, very, very simple. So what else can we tell them? We can tell them that we are going to keep on eating the flan once they are gone. Thank you. Thank you very much for being with us today. On Tuesday you can see Fran because he is going to make a tour. He's coming back on Monday. We'll make a tour on Tuesday as always. And what else? You know that these food experiences, cooking experiences are tip supported, so we will be very happy. Otherwise, you can also share this. That will also help us. And if you make the flan, please let us know, right? We would love to know how it goes. Okay, so thank you very much. See you on Sunday next time. Maybe with Lucas, without Lucas, maybe Lucas will go and play paddle. Bye. See you on Sunday. Ciao.